A is for apple, juicy and red. B is for butterfly, flying ahead. C is for cat, with a soft furry tail. E is for dog, who loves to wag and wail. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish, that swims all day long. G is for grapes, purple and sweet. H is for horse, with hooves so neat. I is for igloo, chilly and white. J is for jelly beans, colorful and bright. K is for kite, that soars up high. L is for lion, the king of the sky. M is for monkey, swinging in trees. N is for nest, with birds and bees. O is for octopus, with 8 wiggly arms. P is for penguin, in icy charms. Q is for queen, with a crown so tall. R is for rainbow, the prettiest of all. S is for sun, that shines so bright. T is for train, chugging all night. U is for umbrella, on rainy days. V is for violin, with music that plays. W is for whale, swimming so free. X is for xylophone, with tunes of glee. Y is for yo-yo, going up and down. Z is for zebra, with stripes all around. Now we know our ABC. Sing along and dance with me.